You're gonna love the 2022 Ford Bronco. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Zoom in on this seriously rugged Ford Bronco, the impressively capable adventure machine that doubles as a comfortable, connected daily driver. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless start, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, satellite radio, alarm. Spacious comfort and serious capability blend seamlessly in this stylish Bronco. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.